Hi, so today I'm going to be touching upon rhythm, routines, and rituals, and why is it important for children to have one going for them. So, I'm going to touch upon rhythm first, and what do I mean when I say rhythm? So, rhythm is anything which is repetitive in nature. We have the external rhythm like day turning into night, and so on. We have rhythm in the week, and there are seasons in the year. So, externally, nature follows a rhythm and it helps if we build this rhythm internally for our children as well, because when the internal rhythm is aligned with what is happening outside, it helps center the children. A simple thing like fixing the meal times for children helps regulate their digestive juices. So when you give meals to them at specific hours in the day, the body responds to it by producing digestive juices, and hence it enables easy digestion for the child. Likewise for the other things. So if you ensure that they sleep at specific time during the night and wake up at a specific time in the morning, what you're ensuring is their body clock would be aligning to the rhythm. An example of a daily rhythm could be waking up in the morning, taking your shower, getting ready to go to school, having a mid morning snack, and then going to school, coming back, changing your clothes, having your meals again, taking rest and relaxing, and then getting ready again in the evening, going out for free play, coming back, having your meals, sitting for some kind of a study, and then eventually going off to sleep in the night. So, this is what a rhythm looks like on a day to day basis. And next, coming on to routines. So, routines are basically something that support rhythm. So, when a rhythm is followed every day, it becomes a routine. And it could either be enforced or internalized. And routines are generally very specific to every family. So, you need to actually see what works best for you and then set a routine for the family. A ritual is something that helps you prepare for what's going to come next, what's going to unfold. Something as simple as, starting the day with listening to soft music. It prepares the whole family for how the day is going to unfold. Likewise, something like a bedtime ritual where you dim the lights and you again play some soft music and you read a story to the child. So, this prepares the child to sleep. So, rituals are something which help you prepare for what is to come next. And the body doesn't offer any resistance because the body knows that this is what is going to follow next. So, following some kind of a ritual and having a routine to the day helps calm us and center us and make us more receptive to the day. A thoughtful routine helps us to focus our energies on one thing at a time, and it also ensures that the important things are not getting neglected. And for every family, it would look very different. So please take your time, observe how things flow during the day for your family, and then plan a routine. And once you do, please stick to it.